Good day, friends. Here is a question on factorization. Let's begin. For part 1, what we'll need to do is to look for common terms first that you can factorize. So the only thing that is common is 2. So best practice is to rewrite the entire equation again and take out 2 from every single term. So you are left with a squared here. 10 divided by 2 is 5b. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Now it seems like this is factorizable, but a squared, b, and then a constant. If this was b squared, then you can use the cross method to further factorize, but this is actually just a squared. So you cannot factorize further. This is literally our final answer for part 1. Now part 2, however, 2p squared minus p minus 3. Part 2, there is no common terms in all, so there's nothing to take out or factorize out. But we can use the cross method to factorize this particular expression. So 2p squared minus 3 is there, minus p is also there. So 2p and p. How do we get negative 3? We can go negative 3 over here plus 1. Negative 3 times positive 1 is negative 3, okay? From here you cross the multiplication, so you're going to get negative 3p plus 2p, which is negative p in the end, which tells us our factorization is correct. So the factorization form is 2p minus 3p plus 1. What do you need to do? Just follow these sections here. Final answer, 2p minus 3 and p plus 1.